Are you a diagnosis addict? Yesterday, I had a client who, for the 4 weeks that we've been working together, he really obsessively tells me, why he thinks he's a people pleaser, how he displays that he's a people pleaser. I do it here. This is what I do. This is how I feel when this happens. And I'll tell you, in any situation that you have, whether you've got ADD, whether you've got boundary problems, whether you've got confidence problems, on one end of the spectrum, it's a very good thing to be able to understand what your situation is and to understand how it shows up, because it actually helps you overcome it. But on one end of the spectrum, it can actually become an obstacle because it further reinforces your identity as that's the way you are. And if you further reinforce that identity, which is I'm just someone with ADD and these are the symptoms I have and this is just the way I am, you can't transcend those things because you stay stuck. So I get why you people do it. I get why you want to obsessively look at the reasons and diagnose. It's because we have a part in us that wants to seek certainty. It's the same part in us that wants to make sense of things because it helps us have a grip on what's actually happening. But sometimes I want you guys to recognize that your certainty-seeking behavior in, finding out the reasons and how it shows up and what happens and why you're an addict and why you're an ADD person, it further can sometimes reinforce the identity as that's the way you are, and you will forever stay stuck. So sometimes it's good to understand your situation, but sometimes it can keep you where you are. I hope that was valuable.